Marvel's superheroes and villains, Blizzard. Employed by Stark Industries, Dr. Gregor Shapanka attempted to steal a Stark technology to fund research into longevity. Caught and fired, he developed a suit with freezing powers and came to be known as the villain Jack Frost and later Blizzard. Shapanka was killed by Arno Stark, the Iron Man of 2020 from Earth 8410, who had came back in time for data needed to disarm a bomb. Shapanka's successor was Donnie Gill, an employee of Justin Hammer. After leaving Hammer's employee, Gill joined the Masters of Evil and later became one of Mach 4's Thunderbolts. After earning a pardon for his crimes, he registered with the 50-state initiative, but later returned to crime in an upgraded suit with the help of the Mandarin. Randy Macklin then wore Gill's suit for a while. After he was captured and served his time, Tony Stark took him under his wing. First appearing in Tales of Suspense, issue 45, September 1963, he is 5'6", 165 pounds. Gloves on Blizzard's battlesuit could project intense cold, generate freezing mist, mini blizzards of snow, sleet, and darts of ice that could pierce metal. He could freeze people by covering them in frost and escape capture by creating in ice slides. He has no superhuman powers.